my friends, how are you doing? Well, today I'm here to show you the latest edition on my free online arcade games page. Okay, as you may know, I have a arcade video games in this section. You have to enter here. I will place the link in the description. Okay, my friends. So you have to enter in the free slots page and select skill games. Then you will enter on my arcade video games page. And the latest additions, as you can see, is a bunch of Nintendo Game Watch video games you can play online instantly with no download required. That's amazing. That's simply amazing. These games are very, very good, and you can play with no problem. You know, let's check Mario Bros, for example. You have the commands that you need to control both Marios. Okay, Q and A. The left Mario, Q go up and A go down, and P go up and L go down for the right Mario. Sorry. So let's test a little bit. Let me show you how it works. Look, take a look. It's a very good playability. It's a very good reproduction of the original Nintendo Game Watch, and you can play unlimited, my friends. Yeah, as you can see, there is no pop-up advertisements. No advertisements popping up all the time, and you can play. You can enjoy smooth gameplay here. Well, I just added these games. Let me show you more. So I have Mario Bros, Mario Cement Factory. This is another great title. You know, I'm sure you remember this game. Take a look on it. That's absolutely perfect, my friends. That's absolutely perfect. Very nice playability as well. And I have Donkey Kong 2. Oh, another legend, you know. So you can play this also using your mobile device, because you can control the gameplay using your touch screen, you know. So there is not a problem. I have the very first Game Watch release. It was released in April 1980. Here is Ball. Toss Up. Toss Up was the name of this game in the United States, but the original, it's Ball. So my friends, as you can see, you have hours of good entertainment right here. If you like to play online video games, here you have everything you will need for hours and hours of fun. So why not give a try? I will place the link in the description. Here is the link, and you can play unlimited. No download required, no deposit, nothing. And here it is just for your fun, okay, my friends? Alright, this is just a quick video just to show you the latest edition when it comes to video games here at Casino Billionaire. Hope to see you again very soon. Bye bye. Have fun, my friends, have fun.